So this next space is our daughter Gwynnie's room. She's 8 and she has quite a few views on what she likes and doesn't, so I'll take you through. We've added the panels in again like we've done in the lounge and hallway. We're going to bring in a bold resene colour there and then a wallpaper across here. We'll potentially continue the wallpaper around, and we've got this old Lundia shelf, so we're going to paint that in a beautiful resene tone that ties in as well, and kind of replace all these handles.
That one's cool. The peach sort of looks like that art. I find it calming, don't you?
Yeah, I do. That is bold.
I find that too pink.
I think that would be really pretty. And then we could do the wallpaper the whole way around this wall, maybe.
Should we do it on the roof?
No. So for my daughter Gwynnie's room, she's really keen on some wallpaper. We want something that's going to grow with her. She does have this gorgeous piece of art. It's a photo of some sand dunes and she just loves it. So wondering if there's something that we can tie in with that.
Yeah, so as you can see, we've got hundreds of different options.
Yeah, amazing.
So if we have a look through some of these papers.
This one's nice. Is it clouds? It feels like...
It is. It's almost kind of a little bit of cloud, a little bit of rustic kind of look. If we brought in, say, a bit of this kind of blue down the base, see how it helps to draw out a bit more of the blue.
Of the blue, yeah. I think that's really beautiful. Let's show Gwynnie her wallpaper and see what she thinks. Come here. What do you think?
I think it's really cool and I love the textures and stuff.
Today we're wallpapering. We did all the prep this week. We sanded it back. We applied a Sureseal underneath, but we very quickly realised we needed an expert to come in and hang it. And we've got the lovely Anando in here helping us.
So if the people doing the prep works themselves, they should really do a nice sanding first and undercoating, also gapping around the ceiling and the skirtings and the windows, because I need those gap fills to actually be able to cut nicely along the wallpaper. If there's a gap, it would just slip behind and damage the quality.
How do you think we did on the prep?
Good, above average.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll take that.
But not too
for
bad,
first
you know.
attempt.
From a professional side, I would have probably given this old wall a nice skim coat first,
Yeah.
and then sand it and then undercoat it.
Hopefully
Professional.
your talent covers up our
Yeah, I
mess
mean,
underneath.
that's for sure, yeah. Not this big holes, but...
So I painted these panels earlier in the week. I had a little bit of a mare, to be honest. I used a roller that was far too wet and paint just splattered everywhere. In the end, I did a brush for an undercoat and then I found a dry roller and used that. We have finally finished. Come through and I'll show you. We have put 8th lemongrass on the cabinet here and the walls, and then we've also got our beautiful wallpaper, which is the main feature of this room. We're just so delighted with how it turned out. It's a Monet style of wallpaper and it's part of a French Impressionist collection. And then we've got this blue paneling here in a beautiful colour called Atomic and a semi-gloss, looking really gorgeous. And we've got the 8th lemongrass above the fireplace as well. So what's your favourite thing, darling, about this room?
The wallpaper, because it's got lots of colour. You know how I love colour.
Maybe I can get it in, Dad and I can have it in our room.
We'll have to see about that.
Yeah.